The anode transmits electrons released from hydrogen molecules for use of external circuits. Cathode supplies O2 to the catalyst and conducts electrons to the catalyst from external circuits to form water. The PEM, which is also known as the proton exchange membrane, is the electrolyte and catalyst facilitates oxygen and hydrogen reaction. Just as in my diagram right here, we can see the PEM, the hydrogen, the anode, the cathode, the air, oxygen, water, oxygen flow field, the PEM, the backing layers, and hydrogen flow field. In this part of my presentation, I'm going to be talking about the pros and cons of fuel. So, fuel cells. So, the advantages is hydrogen is categorized by highly energy content that allows fuel cells to be highly efficient. For example, fuel cells are used in vehicles and large power backup systems. Fuel cells help to overcome thermal bottleneck effect due to the system's ability to transform chemical potential directly into electrical energy. Therefore, the model is effective than combustion engines since the latter changes chemical potential into heat and the mechanical energy. Unlike combustion, energies are released greenhouse gases, fuel cells emit only water and limited proportion of heat. And then fuel cells are more dependable than combustion energies since the former lack movable parts that are prone to water and tear. Fuel cells are more dependable than combustion energies since the former lack movable parts that are prone to wear and tear. Finally, hydrogen is manufactured in environmental sound manner compared to oil refining and extraction process. Disadvantages: hydrogen fuel emits carbon after combustion and produces nitrogen dioxide among other gases. Hydrogen is difficult to separate from its natural compounds and it's challenging to transport or store. Thus, production and handling of process of hydrogen are expensive. Hydrogen is a hazardous component in cars and homes due to its high flammability. It's expensive and is highly flammable. Fuel cells are a promising technology for use as a source of heat and electricity for building. As an electrical power source for electric motors propelling vehicles, fuel cells operate best in pure hydrogen, but fuels in natural gas, methanol, or even gasoline can be formed to produce hydrogen required for fuel cells. Some fuel cells even can be fueled directly with methanol using a reformer. Lastly, in the future, hydrogen could also join electricity in the important energy carrier. An energy carrier moves and delivers energy in a usable form to consumers. Renewable energy sources like the sun and wind can't produce energy all the time. But they could, for example, produce electric energy, hydrogen, which can be stored when it's needed. Hydrogen can be transported like electricity to locations where it's needed. And that is the end of my presentation today. Thank you.